Hello everyone, I am PRM Jason. Right now I'm at ExpoPlasticos 2024. In here, Guadalajara, I'm meeting the Juan Carlos, who is the agent from Hao Yu. Can you introduce about yourself?
Hello, my name is Juan Carlos Jimenez. I'm like the sales representative of Hao Yu here in Mexico. Let me talk you a little bit of Hao Yu. Hao Yu is a precision machinery company specialized in providing machinery for PP and PE woven bags. Here in Mexico, we have like 26 years since we started making business with Mexico. By the way, it's a Taiwanese company, 100%. Yeah, basically we sell the whole plant equipment for PP and PE woven plastic machines, also like recycle machines. So it is very important for us to be here in ExpoPlasticos Guadalajara in this edition. So yeah, we are very happy to be here and joining you guys, RPM.
Oh, thank you. And I mean, 24 years is really long time. Almost is my age.
26.
Oh, 26,
I'm
sorry.
27, so since I was 1 year old, we started here in Mexico.
My pardon.
No,
26 years is almost big as me at my age. And I want to know, for this long experience, what's your success secret? Like, what's the advantage you dealing with the Mexico market, and how can people to learn from you?
It is very important to know where it all starts. For example, we sell like woven bags. It's our primary product here in Mexico. So we need to get in touch with the farmers and the primary sector of the all the food, grains, and everything. So it is very important to also understand what they know, what they want, and how can we offer that a solution for all the.
Okay, I see. By your mean, let me brief in about it. You mean your advantage is you can get in touch with the real buyer, like the farmers, and to know their needs, to sell the machine exactly what they need, right?
Exactly. And also take advantage, for example, the Mexico, United States, and Canada commercial agreement that we have. So it is very important to know what the governments, like our governments, other governments, can do to work together, and also not just like Mexican farmers and primary sector, also other countries. So it is very important to take note on that.
Align with the latest regulation and policy is really important for your business, right?
Yeah.
And yes, my final question is, since we're in here, the Guadalajara, what's your general feeling for this time? And what's your expectation? And did you fulfill it?
Okay, so we are very happy because we are seeing a lot of people, a lot of movement, and so many people are interested. And also I can notice that many young people, like taking the business or family business, is now making research, and they're trying to improve their process and everything. So we are very happy because we are seeing a lot of young people interested and growth. And socially and like ecologically, do the things right and more efficient, and try to not damage what we are having right now.
Yeah, that's a fantastic slogan. Thank you for your time, and I'm really welcome to be in the Hao Yu's booth, and I will see you next time. Remember to subscribe to PRN, and see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.